Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Open Google Contacts on your phone and sign into the correct Google account. Use the menu and choose Desktop Site to access the web view. Navigate to Contacts and select the contacts you want exported. Tap the three-dot menu and choose Export to create one vCard. VCF File. Save the vCard file to your phone storage or Google Drive for later use. Confirm the export completed successfully before proceeding to transfer or import the file. Keep your phone unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi during the export process. This ensures the vCard saves without interruptions or partial files. Locate the saved vCard, VCF, file on your phone using a file manager. Share the file by Bluetooth, email attachment, or upload it to Google Drive. On the receiving phone, download the vCard file to local storage or open it from Drive. Open the Contacts app and use the Import option to select the vCard file. Choose the account where you want the contacts saved before starting the import. Wait until the import completes and verify a sample of contacts for accuracy. If duplicates appear, use the Contacts app Merge Duplicates feature to clean the list. Keep both phones nearby during transfers to confirm. A faster alternative is to enable Contacts Sync for your Google account. Open Settings, go to Accounts, and tap the desired Google account. Toggle on Contacts Sync and allow the phone to complete initial synchronization. Sign into the same Google account on the other phone and enable Contacts Sync there. Within minutes, the contacts will appear automatically, depending on network speed. This method avoids creating a vCard and handles large contact lists easily. Turn off sync for any accounts you do not want merged into the phone. Confirm contact groups and labels synced correctly after synchronization completes successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.